24 divided by 6 in bracket 24 divided by 6 bracket complete upon 8. Use the rule of BODMAS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. 8 given is equal to small bracket, round bracket first. 24 divided by 6. Here multiplication sign. 24 divided by 6 in bracket 24 upon 6. Bracket complete times 1 upon 8. 24 divided by 6. Here multiplication sign. 6 ones are 6. 6 4 are 24. 4 times 1 upon 8. 24 divided by 6 times 4. 6 ones are 6. 6 are 4. 24 is equal to 4 times 4. Times 1 upon 8. 4 times 4, 16 times 1 upon 8. 16 upon 8. 8 ones are 8. 8s are 2. 16. 2 is the correct answer.